Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and now let's do a section view of an entire chunk of building here. So what we want to use for this one is we are going to go to View, and we're going to choose Section, and in this case, we're going to choose Building Section, and I'm going to click just outside the building down here, go all the way across. I'm on the second floor. And then when I get done with that, I hit enter, and now I have a section. And if we go look at my building sections, I have a new one called Section 1. We're going to rename this, and we're going to call it, we'll just name it something like Building Cross Section. And where I want to see this in your projects is where we have the complex roofs, the green roof, and in your case, you may have a gym roof, okay? So that's going to be our building cross section. When we look at this, this is what it looks like. So we need to clean it up a little bit. Let's make it define, and let's make it consistent colors or realistic or something like that. And let's hide a few things. So this section view that pops up here, we're going to click on it, right click, choose hide and view. There's other ways to do this, but I'm just going to do it like this for now. We also want to hide grids and levels. We can do this faster by using visibility and graphics. And model categories, we're looking for the items grid and levels. Didn't see grid. Oh, it's annotation categories. I'm sorry, there it is. We should see grid and levels here. So we're scrolling down, finding grids. I don't want to see those, and I don't want to see levels. Okay. Apply that. And so this is showing my details of my green roof and what it looks like on the inside, and that's pretty good. I might adjust this crop a little bit. We can either get the entire building and the entire height, and maybe push this in a little bit. So clean up your view a little bit, but this will give us a cross-section view. I'll leave it to you if you want to use the hidden line. If you want to use hidden line, or a colorful view. Either one is fine for me. I'm going to use consistent colors. So here I have a cross-section view of the interior of this structure. And that's what we're after. All right. Now, what do we do with this? We're going to add a, should I do a detail on this? No. Okay, we're just going to add a sheet down here that has a cross-section. And again, it's going to be 11 by 17. And we're going to rename it. This is unnamed right now. We're going to rename it Building Cross Section. Remember, don't change the numbers. Only change the title. So we have Building Cross Section, and then we're going to get our detail view here and drag that in. And remember, let's get rid of that crop box. And if your scale is wrong, you can change that on the section view itself. So we're going to go over here, turn off that crop box. And if you needed to change the scale, you would do it right here on this list. All right, but I'm happy with how that is. So let's go back to our drawing. And there is a cross section. I like it a lot. Okay. That's just a real quick how-to, and that's all you need for this one.